Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. Jumping right into things, we're looking at a chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the ETF ticker symbol DIA. All right, on Friday, the market managed to have a little bit of upward momentum, and that helped to push prices slightly higher. However, overall, as you can see here in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, you see the little red bear. That means the market is officially in a bear market. Hence, you see the red lines, squiggly lines right here. Also, you'll notice that for a while, this blue line was above the black line. Remember, I taught you about that. I told you that this blue line represents the bid to ask ratio, and the black line is your market depth. When this blue line is above this black line, it means that the fundamentals about a particular security are bullish. Likewise, when the blue line is below the black line, the fundamentals concerning that particular security are said to be bearish. Okay. Now, when this orange line is above the black line, that means the market is bullish. When the orange line is below the black line, it means the market is officially bearish. Okay. That's how you read the lines. Now, take a look here where we are. You see the orange line is below the black line. You also see now that the blue line is starting to come in line below the black line. So it's telling you now that the fundamentals are starting to catch up to the market. All right. Now this uptick right here is irrespective of that. It has nothing to do with the overall trend environment in the market. It's still bearish. That means that people are starting to wake up to the realities that we are in a bear market and that the economy is in trouble. All right, so there's your evidence to where we are. In bear markets, you have up days. In bear markets, you have down days. But it still doesn't change the fact that it's a bear market. So, because we have this breakout arrow here, it's saying that based on the money flow in the market on Friday, it's possible we could see more liquidation of shorts to get us where? Nowhere, but right back into the Kumo cloud. You see how long we were in the Kumo cloud? We finally broke out below it, chose a direction, only to come right back again. So that means that even though the market is bearish, it's still consolidated. The market is afraid. It doesn't want to continue this breakdown. It wants to come back up. Now, whether that be market manipulation or what have you, who's to say? I didn't get any bot readings on Friday. What I did see was liquidation of shorts. That's what I saw. The system did not pick up any bots. When it does, I show you the printout report, and you can, take it from there. The only thing about the bot thing, too, the bot algorithm, it doesn't necessarily tell us market direction. It just lets us know what's operating, meaning that there's some sort of manipulation of the order flow, either in the NASDAQ level 2 or Globex or in the dark pools. There's someone or something or whatever operating. It just shows you the anomalies in the order flow, okay? And it looks at volume. It looks at all that stuff. So when you see that, what it will look like when I do these charts, I'll blow it up a little bit for you so you can see a little better. Let's go and let's find one of these here. La-di-da-di-da. Let's see. Because I did program it. Okay, here's one. See the PPT? And then it shows a down arrow. It's saying that there was some operating on that particular day, and that it appeared that it was pressure to keep prices down, so to speak. Doesn't mean that that's the direction that the market's going to go. It just means that there's some operating going on. And then you saw it again here. You saw the operation there. And then the market still continued to go higher, but then here again it is some more pressure. And then again, eventually the market broke. I'm not saying, I'm not saying anything. I'm just putting it out here. PPT operated on March the 10th. We had more operation on the 22nd. We had more operation on the 30th of March. And then, lo and behold, eventually, we get this bar in May. That's all I'm saying. Hey, you draw from it what you will. But the system does pick up this. Here's some more stuff closer to home. Picked up PPT on December the 23rd of 2009. It picked up some more high-frequency trading in bots on January the 5th. It picked up some more on January the 12th. Yet some more on January the 13th. Lo and behold, what happened? This bar happened on January the 21st. So you can say that those the bot activity, the PPT intervention, the high frequency trading, is always followed by or preceded by an enormous move or a change of direction in the market. Again, PPT here on October the 2nd of 2009. PPT again on October the 7th of 2009. PPT again on October the 16th of 2009. What happened? October the 20th, you have this super parabolic bar. And then you have this breakdown. And then you have a breakout. So I'm just saying, the system picks it up, and it is what it is. You got to be careful and tread lightly. That's all I got to say. Fortunately, I don't see one here. All right, in this particular market right now. But one thing I will point out in this Dow is that on August the 23rd, something very interesting happened, and that is that the market attempted to change trend direction and wanted to become bullish. I repeat, on August the 23rd, the market tried to change trend and become bullish. Now, it does not appear that we were successful because we continued to break down, but Friday gives us a hint that it may try to do that again, and this time push out well above our Kumo consolidation cloud. So we'll have to see how this week plays out. But one thing is for sure, the more we test support or the more we test resistance, the more powerful the breakout in that direction. So if we keep testing support like this, the market is going to cave in and collapse. If we keep testing resistance like this up here, then the market is going to break out and explode to the upside. So remember, fundamentals sometimes become detached from the market technicals, and it has nothing to do with it. Sometimes it's just a technical market and it's just being pushed up. Sometimes it's a fundamental market and people don't like a security, and so they just destroy it and distribute it. Okay? That's all I'm saying. So take from this what you will. All right? All right, now here, switching our attention to the gold spot. All right. On Friday, you see we had sort of an inside day, basically inside the high of Thursday's bar. All right. However, we do have a bot check. System picked up PPT, high-frequency trading type bot activity, market manipulation in gold on Friday. It showed short positions being built up secretly in gold. Now, that doesn't mean that gold can't push higher for the next couple of days. It just means that right now this market is being primed for an explosive move. It's going to be either up or down, but it's going to be explosive. There's operations now in the gold. When's the last time we had that? Let's go back and see if I can find a bot check. Okay, here's a bot check. The last one we had was on June the 22nd of this year, and then again June the 23rd, and then again on June the 24th. 3 days straight. And then we had a pause, and then they came back and started operating on June 29th and June the 30th, and then finally what happened? July the 1st happened. And that's when we had that parabolic explosive downward move. See these down arrows? Again, it's saying that it saw the buildup of shorts, right? And sometimes the market will move in the opposite direction. Most of the time it does move in the direction of the frequencies of the order flow that we pick up with the algorithm. I would say the majority of the time it moves in that direction, but sometimes it doesn't. It just depends on what it is they're trying to accomplish. Like here, you saw a PPT thing here, but you didn't see another one again until several days later. This build up of these shorts as the market's going up. There's a build up, and then we have the breakdown. So again, you see how long this breakdown lasted. Now we're getting the same thing again. We're getting the first sign of PPT or high frequency trading type market manipulation going on. There's a build up here of shorts as of Friday. So the market can still push higher first, but I'm expecting a parabolic move in gold. Call it whatever you want. I see it. And we're also in a bullish trend in gold. Okay, we established this bull trend between these two bars right here, between August the 13th and August the 16th. That Friday and that Monday, we entered into a official bullish territory from a neutral consolidated territory. So we're going to need to watch gold and see what happens. Something explosive is happening. Someone's operating in the gold spot. Just figured I'd put that out there for you and let you know. Okay, now looking at silver. Okay, we didn't get a bot check on Friday for silver. However, you see that silver is been neutral for some time now. It's just now trying to break out and turn bullish again. Let's look at what happened the last time it attempted to do that. We tried several times, here and here and here and here. See, all throughout June, it tried to do something. It tried to break out, only to fall back in line and consolidate again. The last long run we had was back here on this bar here. So this would have been a breakout on March the 29th of this year, and it lasted up until, what we got here, May the 21st. So nice little run here, but it was only worth $2. That's not a lot of money on the table. $2.50. You know, try to get to $3, but about $2.50. But what do you see when you look at this chart? Let me blow it up for you, because you need to see this, what I've been trying to explain to you all. All right, look at this. Here we are breaking out, right? You broke out here. You broke through the Kumo here. Breakout signal here. Official pulse wave breakout here. Continue to buy here, breakout. And then what do you run into? Oh, you run into a PPT. Look at that. Build up of short position, and the market pulled back immediately on that one. Another PPT position. Another PPT position. Keep on going. Look, then we finally pulled back. Then they stepped back and let the market be the market. And what did the market want to do? It wanted to trim back up. So they came back in again on May the 12th. Boom, what happened? This happened. May 17th, May 19th, and May 20th. That's what happened. That's all I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen. That's all I'm saying. So take what you can, give nothing back, and watch your back. Peace.